I am Shonit Gupta from class 3rd B. Welcome to my Big Bang Club. Today I am here to show how to fill a balloon with chemical reaction. What we need for this experiment? Let's see. 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1/4 vinegar, an empty bottle, and a spoon and a balloon. First take the spoon, then take the balloon, pour the baking soda in the balloon. Now take the bottle, take the vinegar and put it like this. Now take the balloon, stretch the neck of the balloon like this. Now take the other end of the balloon, take it upside down, Now you can see the balloon. Is filling up. The balloon is filling up. You can see there is a gas called carbon dioxide. This is because when vinegar mixes with soda, that release carbon dioxide and inflates balloon. Now you can see the balloon filled with nothing but with chemical reaction. I really enjoyed this experiment. Hope you all enjoyed this experiment.